A woman once came to me and said, "Should I tell anyone about what I'm imagining, the desire I hold in mind?" The scriptures give two very different answers. One says, "Go, tell no man." The other says, "I have told you before it comes to pass, that when it does come to pass, you may believe." Both are true. One speaks of unwavering strength, the faith that rests in its own knowing. The other shows the boldness of one who has already seen the end. It takes courage to say, "My wish is fulfilled," when reason mocks you and the world denies it. It is like standing in winter and saying, "The garden is in bloom," though the ground still looks bare. But if you have seen the blossom in imagination, you can speak it because you have already walked among its flowers. If your conviction is firm, speak it freely, not to convince others, but as one who speaks from the place where it's already done. But if you feel the slightest hesitation, then guard your vision as a mother guards the life she carries. Do not take your seed into the marketplace of opinions, for the crowd sells reason, not faith. Let it remain beneath the surface, where the unseen roots take hold before the fruit appears. I find joy in sharing my imaginal acts with my wife, for when they unfold, we rejoice together. The first person a man longs to prove this law to is often the one he loves most, for love always seeks to share its vision, and faith deepens when two see the same invisible promise together. If your faith is strong, speak as one who has already heard the promise fulfilled. But if your dream is young, keep it close until it grows into form. Like a woman who does not speak of the child until it quickens in her womb, so too must you wait until your imaginal act begins to stir with life. She does not run to the world for proof. She feels the movement within and knows creation is underway. So it is with you. When the feeling moves, when the unseen begins to live inside you, the world must in time behold what you have carried in secret. Both ways honor the same truth, for whether you speak or remain still, you are shaping the same invisible cause from which all things are born. And in the end, you will discover that the one who heard you first was not man at all. It was God, who dwells in the secret place of your imagination.